Hello and welcome to this month's Sew and Share project. This month we'll be doing this beautiful embellished bookmark. What you'll need for this project is fusible no-show mesh, water-soluble backing, adhesive spray, invisible tape, a pre-wound bobbin to match the outside color of the bookmark border, and a tassel is optional. For step 1, you're going to take your fabric for your bookmark and lay it the wrong side up. Now take your fusible no-sew mesh backing with the fusible side down and iron the two pieces together. For step number 2, we're going to take the fabric that we've just fused together and hoop it with a 5x7 hoop. For step number 3, we are simply going to embroider the first file, which is going to be the front of our bookmark. Now for step number 4, we're going to embroider the second file, which is the back of your bookmark. Now this step we can add lettering as well, so feel free to customize it however you wish. Now for step number 5, we're going to remove the hoop and cut out the front and back of the bookmark. Now you want to cut as closely as possible to the outside edge without cutting into the stitches. Now for step 6, we're going to take the name part of our bookmark and lay it embroidered side down on a table. Now using a small piece of invisible tape, place your tassel in the bottom center of the design and tape it in place. Now just be sure you leave enough space so that the tassel head is far enough away from where the embroidered border will be. For step 7, we're going to take our adhesive spray and spray the back of both pieces of the bookmark. Now carefully line up the front and back of the bookmark so they stick together. Now for step 8, we're going to take a piece of water-soluble backing and hoop it in our 5x7 hoop. Now at this point we're also going to want to change the bobbin in our machine to a bobbin that will match the outside border color that you'll be using for your bookmark. Now using the C file, we're going to run the placement line, which you will then lay down your bookmark with the tassel. Now just a reminder, you want the placement to be as perfect as possible. Now we're going to run the second color of the C file, which will tack down the bookmark and it will embroider the border that holds the two pieces of tassel and bookmark in place. Now if you feel like your tassel is getting in the way, feel free to simply tape it down. For step number 9, we are going to remove the bookmark from the hoop and cut the water-soluble backing as close to the outside border without cutting into the stitching as possible. Now make sure the tassel is out of the way when cutting the backing. Once you're done, turn over the bookmark to the name side and cut the water-soluble backing as close as possible to the inside of the border without cutting into the stitching. Now on to the final step. Now we're going to take a bowl of warm water, as warm as possible but not boiling, with a drop of dish soap, and we're going to dip our finger into the water and run it alongside the edge of the bookmark. Now this is going to dissolve away the remaining backing, so just repeat this process as many times as necessary. congrats! You've now finished this month's Sew and Share project. Now be sure to check the links down below for instructions on how to make the project, as well as a Facebook group where you can share your results. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Hi, John Deere here, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like down below. To join the legacy now, hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell to be notified every time we release a new video. It's no mystery, award-winning embroidery is our history.